But today we're going to go ahead and demonstrate to you one of our brand new items. To my right here, you're looking at one of our vacuum sealers. Okay, so this is going to be a vacuum sealer. I'm going to go ahead and start off by giving you the measurements of this vacuum sealer. I'll measure the overall exterior. I'm also going to measure the inside where the sealing happens. So you have an idea of what it measures. Okay, so overall measurements, you're looking at a length of 35 inches. Follow the front to back. You're looking at 17 and a half. Overall height, 28 inches. Okay, as you can see, it does have this lid right here that you can go ahead and close and raise up once you want to open it. Now, where the sealing happens, from the inside, you're looking at 8 inches. Okay, from bottom, 8 inches, okay? Bottom to the top of the ceiling, you're looking at 13 inches, okay? And from left to right, length, you're looking at 33 inches, 33. Okay? So those are gonna be your measurements. The unit doesn't run on 110 volt, standard US plug, which is located on the right-hand side. And you also will be provided with spare parts, sample bags. You have an oil as well for the sealer, and you have a manual. So you have any questions, maybe you're having trouble using it, all the instructions are going to be on that booklet. Also in the front we have our controls. Okay, we have a vacuum time switch, sealing time switch. We also have a cooling control. Okay, so we have controls for the time, for the sealing, and for the cooling. Since the sealer does run hot, you have the option of using that cooling system. Okay, so that's cooling control. Okay, so the unit does have wheels as well. As you can see on the bottom, you can easily move it around. This is going to be a bigger size vacuum sealer. Okay, so it's a bigger size than what we have available. It's a newer style. So if you're interested in one of these vacuum sealers, go on our website, coolerdepotUSA.com. We'll update more information regarding this sealer, including the price for this exact unit. If you have any other questions, you can also give us a call. We'll help you guys out. Thank you for watching.